Petrick. I'm at the Center for Quality Management and Education, a former teacher, K-12 administrator, a consultant, and the co-author of this book, Lean Six Sigma on Education and Quality Framework for School Leaders, sold on Amazon. We've been talking in this entire series on arguments or objections for using quality management in education. The topic today is it only works in manufacturing. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit the share or subscribe link for us to get our daily quality tips. It only works in manufacturing. I would say that there are advantages and disadvantages to manufacturing, and people in manufacturing say it only works in the service industry. People in service say it only works in manufacturing. There are advantages and disadvantages to every organization, every line, manufacturing, whatever you're talking about. Every organization is going to have unique challenges. You go to the doctor. He diagnoses you, runs multiple tests to determine what your illness is. So, like that, in the service industry, we ask the customer in the process, what do they like, don't like? We evaluate the customer to find out what's going on in the process. In manufacturing, they have to do design of experiments, measure the product, could be equipment failure, product failure, they have to test it. And so they think it's easier in the service industry. Every industry, every organization has pros and cons, and education is no different. Public sector versus private sector, every organization, every industry, organization, company, public, private, they're all going to have their own unique challenges to implementing. Quality management has been proven since the 80s over and over again to work and has crossed the lines between service and manufacturing, public and private. So it's not a matter of it only works in manufacturing. Everybody has their own unique challenges. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit the share or the subscribe link to get our daily quality tips, and look for Lean Six Sigma in Education on Amazon.com. And we would appreciate you sharing this, so get the words out of quality tips to other educators. Thank you very much. Have a great day.